Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so ignore my voice because I kind of did get up. Right now it's 8:43 a.m. Today is Monday, and today's video I was thinking of doing a week in my life quarantine style, because as you know, we're on quarantine, and yeah, we're on quarantine because of the coronavirus. This week is actually my last week of online school because I'm starting my spring break after this week. First thing I have to do is get up. I was supposed to be up at 8 so I could wash my hair and be out by this time, so then I can eat some breakfast and diffuse my hair and just get ready for my day by like 10:30. But I'll see you once I get out of washing my hair. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, okay, so you know how I said I had to wash my hair and do all this stuff? Well, it was 8:30 something when I filmed that last clip, and now it's 12:42. So I did wash my hair. Look, it's all curly now and everything like that. If you can see, I washed my hair, diffused it, but before I did that I was kind of on my phone for like a good hour, you know, like I got distracted like anybody would. And then I washed my hair. What I had for breakfast was some frozen waffles with ice cream. Yeah, such a breakfast. I'm such a healthy queen, you know. And then I diffused my hair. That's why it's all curly now. Oh, then I got a Zoom meeting with my teacher and my classmates, and it was really nice. I have another Zoom at 4 o'clock. Right now it's 12:43. I have a lot of things to get done. I have a book here that I've been keeping all of my stuff like for online school, and also I've been planning a lot of videos and like what I want to do and all that stuff. So this notebook has been like my thing right now. So I want to start some of the assignments that I have due this week. I have a lot of stuff. Like, this is all the work that I have right now, and I just got more stuff added to that list. So I had my Zoom meeting already. I have another one later on today. I want to work on my research paper that's due tomorrow. I have to work on a worksheet that's due tomorrow. Start working on a project that's due on Friday, and then I have another project that's due on Wednesday, so I have to get that done. So I'm trying to get ahead while also I have to edit a video. I'm honestly not completely sure if I want to put it up, but if you see a video before this video, that means that I did put it up. I want to post on Instagram as well. I haven't posted on Instagram in a while, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's this right here. If it would focus. Follow me there, Avalon510, you know. Yeah, so the last time I posted on Instagram was March 18th, and it is March 30th, so it's been like a good 2 weeks. Wow, it's been a while since I've used this tripod, and I should really use this more often. So if you also, I'm not wearing any makeup. All I did was my skincare. I have some creams that I put on. I just curled my eyelashes and like brushed my eyebrows. Yeah, gotta get some work done, and I'll show you my OOTD. Ooh, this lighting, oh nope, that just makes me look white. Okay, so my OOTD. So this is my OOTD, wearing my senior pep rally shirt, the Proud Family Class of 2020. These Hollister fleece joggers. I tied them and I rolled it up so it could fit me better, and I'm wearing some slippers. So that is my OOTD, and this mirror is very dirty, so ignore that. Wow, I really miss vlogging. I haven't done this in so long. Like, I'm so excited for this week in my life. I know you're probably getting dizzy because I keep spinning around, but I'm like super excited about this week in my life video. Should be really interesting. Okay, so it's like 2-ish hours later. If I'm gonna be honest, I barely edited, or really, I mean, it's edited, the video is edited. I just have to get thumbnail and like fix everything that I gotta do. But I went on FaceTime with my sisters, and then I went on TikTok and Instagram, and then now my mom made some food, so I'm gonna eat that. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. So that is the last 2 hours of it. That's what I've been doing the last 2 hours. Well, I'm gonna show you my food and what I'm gonna be eating. So here I got some spaghetti with some plantains, totones, spaghetti con totones, and I have some soda, my laptop right here, my phone. I'm trying to learn a TikTok dance, and yeah, I'm gonna eat, watch a YouTube video, and then I promise I'm going to get more work done. Like, I feel very motivated, like I have a lot of energy. I just need to actually do stuff and get off my phone.
No.
So right now I'm on Zoom with one of my teachers, and everybody wants to say hi. Say hi, people.
Maddie's vlog, her week in her life vlog, the online school or whatever.
Did Miss Davila turn on her camera? Miss Davila, come on.
Yeah, how do I turn off my camera?
You can't even see.
Oh, you got it. Yeah, I got it.
I'm dead.
Welcome back to Melody's vlog. No, I can't. I'm not interested. You know what happened? No, I can't even say it.
Okay, I'll stop. Alright, I'll update you guys. I'll update you guys later. Bye. Hello. Vicky. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Hey guys, so it's currently the next day. So Monday night, the last time I updated you on Monday, I just did some stuff. What else? I was on my phone, I was reading a little bit. I was just basically doing nothing for the rest of the night, and I was like, it makes no sense because this is a week-long vlog, so might as well try to change it up. I'd rather not give you hour by hour what I'm doing, because then it's just gonna be basically the same thing every single day for the weekend. I want to change it up. So it's currently the next day. Right now it's 1:22. I woke up a little late today because I was tired. I don't even know what time I fell asleep. Then I was cleaning out some stuff because I felt like my room was kind of cluttered. Like, even though it's tidy, it's really not clean, I guess. So I emptied out a box that I had full of school stuff because, you know, we're on quarantine and we basically aren't going back to school as much anymore. So I said I'm gonna throw out the old stuff that I had. I was cleaning out another box that I had full of like art stuff and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I cleaned that out. I broomed my room. I tidied up my room. It looks the same to you guys, but to me it feels cleaner. Basically for lunch / breakfast, I just had a strawberry and banana smoothie. I already drank it all. I have to meet with my teacher, one of my teachers, at 2 o'clock on Zoom, and then I also have a homework due at 2 o'clock that I need to start and finish. So I just finished, well, like 3 minutes ago, finished my homework that's due at 2 o'clock. It is 1:58 right now. In 2 minutes and like 30 seconds or like a minute and 30 seconds. I'm about to start a Zoom with my teachers. I'm gonna see if people in my class want to say hi again, like how we did for religion yesterday.
I want to say hi. What?
Does the class or you want to say hi?
No. Stop.
Hey, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube. Follow me.
Hey, YouTube.
Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Alright. Hey guys, so it's day 3. It is what's today's day? It's Wednesday, April 1st. Happy April, everybody. Wow, so we're in April now. We're almost done with the school year. I'm almost done being a senior. But it's currently 12:19 right now. I ended up submitting my research paper very late, like 3 hours late. I made some pancakes. I'm so excited, and it looks really good and appetizing. Like, I'm honestly like so proud of myself. Look, I made some pancakes with Nutella spread, syrup, and there's strawberry and bananas. Look at that. Let's get it from every angle. Whoa. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos, probably FaceTime my friend, try to do some homework at the same time, and I'll update you guys later when I finish all my homework for like 2 o'clock, and then I'm gonna work on projects and stuff that I do later on tonight. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, well, focus me, focus. Okay, so hey guys, it is the next day. It's Thursday, April 2nd. So yesterday, after like a certain time, I felt very sluggish, so I didn't vlog afterwards because I wasn't really feeling well, and I guess it was because I hadn't eaten in a while. But it's the next day now. I slept in really late. It's 2:20 right now. I slept in, or like stayed in my bed, kind of. Slept in and stayed in my bed until like 1. And then my mom made me some mashed potatoes, and then I fried some cheese, and I have some chicken. So I'm gonna eat that. That's gonna be my lunch and my breakfast. And I'm just on FaceTime right now with my sister. We're gonna probably do Netflix party and watch some Charmed, and then I don't have that much homework due today. I just have to do a Spanish assignment that's 5 pages long, that's due at 8:30, which I have to start like probably like at 5. And then I have to start working on some homework that's due tomorrow. I'm just gonna show you what I'm eating so you guys see it. Here it is. Mashed potatoes, fried cheese, and chicken breast that's cooked. And I'm just gonna have some water. I might have a smoothie maybe later on, but right now I had a smoothie last night, so I'm not trying to have like smoothies for every meal, but even though I've been having them along with every meal. So yeah, so I'll update you guys later. That's pretty much it. Today might be like a very boring day. I might just try to relax. I'm just very like tired and lazy today, so I'm gonna try to be productive, because you know, this is my last week. Tomorrow, technically today was supposed to be the last day of school and my last day of homework, but of course my teachers want to give me homework that's due tomorrow. But I'll update you guys later. See ya.
Anyways,
say hi. Hey guys, little update. It is now 10:54. I'm having a smoothie, and this is a blackberry and strawberry smoothie. So good. Like, I'm falling in love with smoothies. Right now, I'm gonna continue watching Netflix party with my sister. We're watching Charmed. Not stopped watching. I've been on this since like 2 or 3. And I took a little break. I did my Spanish homework while I was watching this. I submitted it. And I was doing one of my homeworks that were simpler, and then tomorrow I have to do a few other things, and then tomorrow's the last day. But I haven't done anything all day but sit here and watch Netflix. It's bad. I really hope you guys are enjoying it, because if you don't, I'm gonna be really sad. But okay, I'll update you guys later. Whew, submitted that. Okay, time to get out of bed, do this hair, and eat something. It is 2:20. I need to get out of bed. I still have 2 more assignments due, and then that's it. I'm done with school. But anyways, good afternoon, guys. I've been in bed trying to do homework. Haven't gotten up, haven't eaten anything, but it's the last day of this week in my life, quarantine style, online, student edition, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm a mess, haven't gotten out of this bed. My dog is literally here cuddling with me. I spent the last like 4 hours, yeah, the last 4 hours doing an assignment and procrastinating while doing it too. I think it's time to get up, make a smoothie, eat something. I'm debating what to eat, but I'm just gonna make a smoothie while I'm on it, so I'll show you guys in a second. Here's our lunch. It's an egg and cheese sandwich with ketchup, a fruit bowl that has blackberries, tangerine, and strawberries, and a strawberry and kiwi smoothie. I'm about to watch some Netflix with my sister, finish this episode that we didn't get to finish yesterday, and I'll update you guys after I'm done. Okay, bye.